Sathyabama Institute of Science and Technology.
Hi, vibrant learners. Wish you all a blessed day from Dr. A Viji Amutha Mary, Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Sathyabama Institute of Science and Technology. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss how to maximize profit in a job sequencing problem. Let's see the objective. So the objective of this job sequence problem is to find the optimal sequence in which a given set of jobs are processed in order to minimize the total completion time and to maximize the profit within the given deadline. Now let's discuss in detail about the problem. The job sequencing problem is described as there are n jobs to be processed on a machine. Each job has a profit and a deadline. Profit is earned if and only if the job is completed by its deadline. The job is completed if it is processed on a machine on 1 unit time. So the constraint here is one machine is available for processing jobs and only one job can be processed at a time on a machine. So these are the important terms which you should know, that is feasible solution and optimal solution. A feasible solution is a subset of jobs such that each job is completed by its deadline. An optimal solution is a feasible solution which maximizes the profit. Now our objective is to find the optimal solution. Let's see an example. Here there are 5 jobs given, J1 to J5. The profits and deadlines for each job is also given here. Now our very first step is to arrange the jobs in the decreasing order of the profits. So now we have arranged the jobs in the decreasing order of profits. So the corresponding deadlines is also listed here. Okay, and we see that job 4 and job 1 has the same deadline and the profits are arranged in the decreasing order. Okay. Now the next step is find the maximum deadline and then draw a table with time slots ranging from 0 to that maximum deadline. Okay. Now insert the given jobs one by one in the given time slots. So if a particular time slot is already occupied, then try to fit in the job in the previous available time slots. Okay. So if a job cannot be fit in any time slot, just ignore that job, right? So now write the order of the jobs ranging from time slot 0 to the maximum time slot, and that gives the optimum sequence of jobs. Now add the profit of the jobs and that gives you the maximum profit. Now the jobs are ordered, okay, and they have been inserted in the given time slot. So job 2 has the deadline 3, so which is arranged in that time slot, which has a profit 50, that is the maximum profit job. Next comes the job J4, which is the next to maximum profit job, which is 40. So J4 has the deadline 2, so that time slot is available, so it is fit in that time slot. Next comes job J3, its deadline is 4 and it is fit into that time slot. Okay. Then the next job is J1, which has the deadline 2, but in that time slot already we have another job J4. So it cannot be fit in that time slot 1 to 2. So we look for the previous available time slot. So time slot 0 to 1 was free and now we have inserted job J1 in the time slot 0 to 1. Okay. So all the time slots are occupied, but we don't have any time slot for job J5. So we have ignored that job. Okay. Now just write the order of the jobs starting from time slot 0 to 1 to 3 to 4, and that gives the optimum sequence of jobs. So here is the sequence of jobs. So in the first time slot we have J1 and then J4, J2, J3. So that is the optimum sequence of jobs. Just add the profit of the jobs 20 plus 40 plus 50 plus 30, which gives you the value 140, and that is the maximum profit in this job sequencing problem. So with this I conclude this video lecture. Thank you learners for patiently listening to this video lecture. Meet you again in another interesting video lecture. Thank you all.